Greetings, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show my homemade paint booth I made out of a Walmart plastic tub. I made this back in 2016, 17. I used a old exhaust fan from our bathroom I remodeled years ago. I never throw anything away. Here's I super glued it to the back. I ran a dryer vent hose out the side of it, one of those flexible ones. And I made a piece of plywood with a wooden hole in it, shoved it through the wall with the external dryer vent flap on the outside. I later updated this, as I will show you here in some other pictures. But this is what I use. When I get ready to paint, I take a spray bottle full of water. I spray down the insides around there. How it keeps the dust down. Here's another picture of how I got it hooked up. I just hang the hose. This is the back side of my bench. There's an aisleway behind my bench to where I keep all my other computer supplies, my electronic supplies. So it's like a little alley pathway there. So I just got the hose stuck up there in the air. Okay, hang on a second. Let me change pictures. Here's a picture of the inside of the paint booth with the old exhaust fan taken out because I'm getting ready to update the fan. Here's a picture of from the other side to my desk. Here's the old exhaust fan that I just taken out. There it is, still in the cabinet, or whatever you want to call it. Here's the new exhaust fan I'm putting in. It has a switch on it, which I will show later on in the video. I'm using a Amazon box. And super glue, and hot glue, and duct tape. Gorilla brand, to be specific. Just measuring up, cutting out the hole, making a square box out of a square box. There it is with it connected to the back. And it's an enclosed motor, so we don't have to worry about anything blowing up. Where the other one was not. That was part of the reason for changing this. Because if I spray enamels, then I don't want to blow up my office or the back of my house or me. There's the old dryer vent hooked to it because it's a 4-inch fan. You can see the 2 years ago I updated this. The piece of plywood now has a connecting hose that you can go to Walmart and buy, or Lowe's or somewhere, where that just slides into the outlet. Then you can unplug it and move the hose. That way I can get behind my desk. And my air conditioner sits on top of that, and then I close the window on top of the air conditioner, and that way I don't have to take that out in the wintertime. It's all sealed in and painted and all that happy stuff. There's the connector that goes into the flange that goes outside. And there's the flapper for outside, just like you would use on your regular dryer. Although in the wintertime I stuff a rag in that because a lot of cold air comes in through that hole. As evident by the light, you can see through it. Okay, so I wanted to put this back up on the bench. This is for a new project. And it's an important project. You can see it says roof fan. And this is also an upcoming video of how I built my... Let's see if I can get this to turn right. There we go. Up, up. This is my paint booth. It's a plastic tub with a ceiling fan on the back of it. Let's get you turned back around here. There we go. I like this gimbal thing. It's kind of neat. So we're going to put in a new fan because the ceiling fan is an old fan I took out of a ceiling of a house I had years ago. Whoops! Gotta watch the... And it's just not powerful enough. So I watched the guy's video. I'm going to make one out of cardboard. And he used this fan. Oh, there we go. Let's get all this other stuff out of the way. And it goes into a... And he used this on a... with dryer ductwork, and that's what I have. Working around the... I have dryer ductwork, and this is what I use. And like I said, we're going to make a video on this very shortly. Because I got to do some painting on an aerobat. And I wanted to update this. So we'll see how that works out. Apparently it has a... let's see if we can get this off of here. I know this is supposed to be a short video, right? Oh, wow. There you go. That's the way things work around here. Short videos are long ones. We're that person that's, you know, we want to be alone, but yet around everybody. Apparently it has a speed variation on it. That's going to be kind of neat. I can leave it plugged in, and I'll put it on the side there or something so I can turn it on and off. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, we're back. We got it plugged in. Somebody's bleeping. And we wanted to see. Well, that moves a lot of air. Oh yeah, see there? So that's kind of cool. Anyhow, that's what we have for today's bench update. Thought I'd do one. Do some unboxings later. Got more videos coming. More about model work. Stay tuned. That's it. It works really well. You want to spray right up inside the booth. I mean, you can't stand out away from the booth and expect it to pull air through, because I just use a regular furnace filter. It just leans up in there. It does the job. I mean, it's not one of those $200 ones you buy, but I suppose I could spend more money, buy a heavier, more powerful fan. But like I said, I paint mostly with acrylics, so I'm not so worried about it. I do use spray cans occasionally, and weather permitting and it's not too humid, I go outside. But otherwise I use it in here. That blue stuff is puppy pads. So when it gets too much paint on it, I just take it out and put a new one in. I fold it up out of the way because it's up off my desk about 2 inches or about 3 inches. Because I made it into the rack that holds my paint and stuff. Anyway, there's the paint booth. Maybe I'll show another video here directly, because I want to do some primering of some of the arrow bit, and that's one of the reasons why I want to get this done. I thought, well, I'll make a video. Gonna make one out of cardboard, so stay tuned for that video. You know, I won't put lights in it and all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Be kind to your neighbors. You don't know when you're going to see them again, or if you do. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.